Hello Amazon shoppers, it's Amy with 911 Studios, and today we're checking out some of the best products for spring on all of Amazon. You guys, I love this raised gardening planter with 2 legs and 2 wheels, so it's really convenient and portable. This is just gorgeous. It's gonna look good in any space. You can use it indoor or outdoors. It's gonna hold up for a really long time. It's metal. One of the things that I like as a choice for your planters, I really like the metal. It has an anti-rust paint on the outside, so it's gonna hold up, it's not going to rust. But what kind of elevates metal planters over wood, in my opinion, is that you're not gonna have to worry about wood rotting over time. You're not gonna have to worry about metal rotting like you would wood. You're watering them. There's a lot of water, and sometimes when you are watering wood and there's constantly moisture on it, you know that over time it's going to degrade. Metal, not so much, especially when it has that rust-proof paint on it. So this is going to be a great choice that you know that you're going to be able to enjoy for years and years to come. I also love that this planter is raised. You guys, that is going to take so much pressure off your neck, off your back, off your knees. You can throw those old knee pads out. This is just going to be really ergonomically designed and great for anyone that is just over having to bend over to garden. This makes it totally convenient, totally pain-free. I love the wheels. It makes it so much easier to move around, get the perfect amount of sunlight. And you guys, I use my planter with wheels all the time to get a head start on the season. I live in Florida, and you know, we might have a few nights where it's freezing, like in January or February, but it's, for the most part, is nice during the day. I can go ahead and put my garden outside, and knowing that I can wheel it indoors, you know, if there happens to be a cold snap, and that just makes it so convenient. And that means that instead of having to wait until March, April, May to get outside and get gardening, I can get a head start on everyone by several months and just enjoy my plants for that much longer. Love the wheels. You guys are gonna love them too. This also has drainage holes, which means you're never gonna overwater. It's an amazing planter, totally beautiful. Got a lot of space for all of your flowers, your herbs, your vegetables, your fruits, whatever you prefer to grow. Go ahead and get growing. You're gonna love it. Put it in your cart. You'll be happy you did.